Box dye hair tutorial, low lights edition. So it doesn't look terrible, but after box dyeing it so many times, it just loses dimension. It starts to look like it's all one color, even though I've been painting highlights in here and there. So when fall comes, I just like to paint in a few low lights, and it makes all the difference to me anyway. So I'm mixing up IGK's Latte. It says dark natural blonde. It looks like the color I'm going for, so we're just gonna try it. What we're gonna do is pick pieces we want to paint darker and literally paint them darker. I'd help. Let's do it. I'm starting at the bottom, saturating the piece. I don't think you can see it as great in the camera, but I can see it. The dye kind of dries a purple color, and I can see where I put them. It also dried kind of hard, so I'm not worried about it touching the other hairs as much. So now I'm gonna go in and do another layer underneath of what I just did. This IGK Latte color is really close. It's just a little bit darker. The piece is to be thick, but not too thick, or you're gonna end up looking striped. Like, we don't want that. I think I have enough in there. I just need to wait 30 minutes and then wash it out. Okay, I love it. See how it's not that much different? It's just a little bit more dimension. It's so slight, but I swear it makes all the difference to me. Oh, it's like brown, blonde, brown, blonde. It's kind of striped. Can you imagine how awful that would look if I would have chosen a darker color? So yeah, blondies, if you want to tone it down some with some low lights, I used IGK and Latte. It's like 28 bucks. You can get it at Sally's. You can get it online. Love it.